macaroni. I would like to representing the French food. What I want to make is the saumonier. It's in English say flounder meunier. The way so I want to show you how to make it. Okay. This is the fish, the salt. You marinate with milk, salt, and pepper. Then you make warm the pan of the oil. Then you put this in the flour, light flour. Then you fry it. Okay. Very light flour. Then the other side, we need to cook the boiled potato. Put in the pan. And I will get the butter. And you put in the slow, light fire. And we put this butter and parsley in the potato. Put with a small fire. Don't make it burn. And the other part, we're gonna make the meunier with the sauce. It's the butter and the garlic. Here the garlic. Here the garlic brown. The fish ready. So we put the garlic and butter in the topping. And then we put the parsley a little bit. Now it's ready. Saumonier. Bon appetit!